Hi, hello everyone. Let us see what happened to the levels which we planned before the market for Friday, and also we'll look at the fresh levels for Monday. So we didn't plan anything in Nifty before market. Our plan was this: we just want to see where the market opens. We expected there should be a possibility of gap up. As expected, there was a gap up, and we have seen price going slowly upside till the end of the day. We have seen it is like only one side move. Were we able to capture any move, any of this upside move? Definitely yes. So how we traded yesterday? We went to the 5-minute chart. We waited a little bit for the market to give us some confirmation. Yesterday we depended on the trend line. Let me show you the trend line. So we marked this line, and we also marked this line. So this is how we mark the lines. We wanted market to break this level. We plan to go up if it break on the upside, and to go put if it go on the lower side. Let me show you our Telegram channel. This is exactly what we planned around 11:20. I have posted in our group like exactly this chart to go long above this and to go short below this one. And you can see it has broken the upside, and from there it has slowly started moving up till the end of the day. So anyone entered call here should have made some profit, but it might have tested patience because it is moving very slowly. So that is about Nifty. Now let us see what happened to the stocks which we marked. As a demand and supply trader, what we do, we plan all the stock trades before the market. We don't make decisions during the market. We make all the decisions when the market is closed. And during the market, if we get entry in any of those stocks, we'll just enter the trade. So what happened yesterday? Colpol has given entry. No, Conquer. So we got entry in Conquer yesterday. Let me show you the plan in Conquer, and let's see what happened in Conquer. This is what we planned in Conquer, to enter long here, and this is SL, and we planned 1:2 trade, or almost 1:3 trade, and see what happened. It came to the level, it has given entry, and we have seen our target has hit. Of course, later it went even much higher, but we'll close the trade once it hit our target. So this is one successful trade which we planned. We also got entry in Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, let me show you. These are the stocks which we need to discuss. Whatever has given clear target like Conquer, we don't have to discuss much on them because it has just given entry and it has given target. These are the things we need to discuss. So this is what I always used to tell: when there are like level below level, the best entry will be in between the two demand zones. But as there is like lot of distance between the two zones, I plan to enter in the first zone itself. And if you remember, if you see this closely, it has given entry, and in the same candle itself, it has given almost close to 1:2 target as well. You This 15 minutes candle. So there will be 3 5 minutes candles inside this. If you split that, and if you see what happened to them, you will get more clarity. Let me go back to the 5-minute chart. Here you may see you got the entry, and you can see it went almost to 5135. This is close to 1:1.8 target. Normally what we do, when it go more than 1:1, we'll move our SL to the buy price. And when it go to 1:1.5 or somewhere, we'll keep trailing stop loss, or we'll just book it out, because this is the first candle itself. So generally in the first 1-2 candles, there will be a lot of whipsaws and all. So we'll be a bit early in booking the profits. Okay. In that way, this has almost given our target. Even though later we have seen it went below the demand area, I wanted to make this point: it has already given the target. Even if you are looking for 1:2 or more than that, what you would have done, you would have definitely moved your SL to the buy cost. So when the price came back here, your SL should have got triggered at the buy price itself. So there should be no loss, at least if you didn't book any profit when it is giving like more than 1:2 trade. Uh, those are the two trades. So yesterday we were able to make one call in Nifty, one in Apollo Hospital, and one in Conquer. total 3 calls we were able to trade, and all are profit trades only. Okay, now let us see what will be the stocks for tomorrow. You can take a screenshot of this particular page. These are the trades which I am planning for tomorrow. I don't know how many of this will give entry, but this will be my plan for tomorrow. So there will be one intraday short selling in Jubilee Food, and rest all these are like, one HIT short as well, and 2 intraday 15 minutes long, and rest are like weekly income trades. And Auro Pharma, this we are watching it for the last few days. It is not giving any entry. So basically, these are the stocks. You can take the screenshot, and maybe we can quickly take a look on a couple of stocks. So let me show you first Jubilee Food stock. I'll tell what my plan is here. The reason I'm explaining here, because sometimes it won't be as easy as we see on the numbers. So this is one supply area which I am seeing. If you see here what is happening, there was this one supply area where it started reacting. This is also pivot high. It came here again and again. So tomorrow we want the price to go to this supply area, and we want to see some rejection here. My actual entry will be, I prefer to enter not here, even though I have given this entry on the post what I have given, but I love to enter in much deeper area. Because once it break this resistance, there is a chance it can go much deeper. I want my stop loss to be like very low, and in the first candle itself it will go there. I'll take SL on the closing basis, because it can whipsaw and it can again come back. So this is my plan. I want to reduce my stop loss over there. So I want to take entry in much deeper zone. And if anyone want, you can prefer type 3 entry as well. Like when the price is leaving the zone, once it enter here, when it is leaving, that is where you can enter. You can maintain this as the first target. Once it hit, either you can book the profit or you can aim for the below demand levels. See, at the same time, we don't know where the stock is going to open tomorrow. We can also plan some long trades in this particular stock. If the price come in between these two demand areas, this is where we go long in Jubilee Food. And now quickly, let me go back to LT. LT is straightforward. No need to discuss anything here. Bajaj Finance also. Okay, yeah. So this was like one trade which we planned couple of days back, right? And we also got entry, even target is done 1:2 target. So now we don't need, no need of this particular level. So for tomorrow, if Bajaj Finance by any chance, if we see price coming to this first demand area, we can try to enter here. But remember, this is level below level. So if you want to enter here, you need to maintain your stop loss even below the second demand area. If even you can, the best thing is like to enter in between the two zones. And the problem is that in case if it just start bouncing back from the first demand area, you're going to miss that trade. It's fine if you are too conservative, just wait for the entry around this area. If you miss, that's fine, leave it. Otherwise, this will be the best area to enter. And if your SL permits, you can go with this stop loss as well. So that is about Bajaj Finance. And we also planned PEL. PEL, yeah, this is 5 minutes trade. This is 5 minute short trade which we planned. See, here we have nice drop base drop pattern. Now the question is, can this give entry around this area? If you see the DATR of this particular stock, it is almost 40 rupees. Where is the stock right now? Around 942. How far is it? Around 20 points. So there is a high chance, even if it move like half of its DATR, there is a chance we can get entry, short entry in PEL. There is also scope, like if you see any industry candle here at this demand area, and if you see any price bouncing back here, you can also try for long, but I prefer to short if I get entry here. Okay, those are all like intraday trades. We can take a quick look on weekly trades as well. Let me show you Manappuram. See, these 75-minute trades, we don't know if you get entry tomorrow or not, but you can wait for this level. We can see nice rally-based rally, and there is a huge gap up as well. So there is a high chance price can bounce once it come here. Let us see. We'll wait for that level. And we also want to see in Manappuram, sorry, M&M Finance. See, M&M Finance, this level is very nice level. I allow to go long around 320 area. But remember this one point. If this price, first if it go and touch 350, where is it right now? 336. In case, first if it go and touch the 350 level, then this may not work. Their actual resistance will start, and maybe it may or may not work. We'll check the trend and all when it come back. Only if the price touch 350 before giving the entry. Otherwise, this is a good entry. Like let's say if it go till 340, 345, and if you see later in a day or in few days, if you get entry around this level, this is where we look to go long in that M&M Finance. Am I comfortable with this? Yes, the structure wise, I'm okay entering in this one. What concerns me is like there is one more demand area below this. Generally, we have to enter in between these two, but instead we'll take this stop loss and we'll try to enter at much below level if that happens. Let me show you something on Sun Pharma as well. Sun Pharma also has like nice rally-based rally. In case if we get any entry tomorrow, we'll try to go long in Sun Pharma. All these are weekly trades. Remember that point. So Indigo is also trading at higher levels. So there are two levels. Definitely we'll enter only if price come in between these two demand areas or at least to the lower level. Otherwise, we can just leave it. I'll just show you Auro Pharma. It's been a while. We are waiting for this. So it went there 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been almost 3-4 days. Price is not coming to this demand area. We'll definitely look to go long if you get chance in Auro Pharma. So basically that is it about all the stocks for tomorrow. Just mark all these levels on your chart, put the alert and trade accordingly. And we'll see how these levels will work out tomorrow, and we'll talk about them day after tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.